Here's a new 2019 Honda Odyssey. It's about bringing family together, staying connected along the way, and giving you that sense of home no matter where your journey takes you. It's well equipped with the features you need: power tilt-down heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth streaming audio, auto-dimming rearview mirror, active noise cancellation, smart entry key, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, and V6 engine. Of the Odyssey, the Car Connection writes, it stands at the top of the minivan heap with more design flair and more driving enjoyment than most other three-row rivals. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
One stop, family shop. Think Thayer. Come on, let's get rolling. Come on, let's get moving. Think Thayer.